Finally, it's Friday. Cheers to all my beer drinkers out there. So I got something today I'm pretty excited about, a little upgrade for Odin. I'm gonna break into the box, do a breakdown of what it is, all that good stuff. And yeah, so let me get this camera turned around and we'll check out what it is. So yeah, obviously we made it back from the camping trip. That was a great trip. I hope you guys enjoy that video. It should be before this one. Got back. Actually, the trailer's still up there because we had to bring the Razor back, and I ain't got no toy hauler, so it's a pain in the ass, but we do it every year. We take the trailer up there, and then my trailer, which is a 5x10 that usually takes the dirt bikes, the quads and all that stuff, Kelly tows up there with her 4Runner, but she couldn't tow the trailer this time because as you guys saw, it was that 22-foot top hat with the Razor on it, 2 dirt bikes, you know, just a little bit heavy for her vehicle. But yeah, we made it back, and it sucks because it's still hot here in Arizona, man. Mornings are cooling down a little bit. It's been like, I don't know, 82 in the morning when I get up to go to work, which is a freaking breath of fresh air. Better than waking up and it's 102 out, and as soon as you walk out your front door, you're already sweating. Mikey don't like that. But anyways, oh yeah, see, last video I showed you guys the lights. I got them on the blue setting right now. Yeah, we actually got some signs we're gonna be hanging up. Kind of personalize the garage, the walls a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I got for Odin. A lot of people are going to talk crap about him. Oh, it's a waste of money. You shouldn't have done that. You could have done blah, 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 blah. But you know what? It's my truck, and I'm going to do what I want to do to it. So I'm kind of that way. I like what I like. No peer pressure, you know what I mean? That's what makes us individuals, you know what I mean? Everybody has an opinion about this. Oh, Miller Lite, you drink Miller Lite, Coors Light's better. Oh, I like Bud Light better. Whatever. You do you. But yeah, I'm gonna give you guys just a little peek of what I'm talking about. Cold air intake. Yep, I'm gonna open the box here in a few minutes. All right, guys, so like I was telling you, K&N, cold air intake for Odin. Like I said, a lot of people are like, don't waste your money on a cold air intake, it doesn't do anything. But you know what, I wanna give it a try. And I figured K&N, top of the line, right? Yes, there are better companies out there, but K&N has been making air filters for I don't know how many years. So I went with this K&N. Obviously this is for, I believe, 17 through 20 F-150s. I got the 3.5 ECOBOOST. Hopefully, from what I've read, I'll get a little bit of a better turbo sound out of this cold air intake. Increase horsepower. Did a lot of research, says 25 more horsepower, 25 more foot-pounds of torque. Not much, but might give it a little better throttle response. Just stuff like that, you know what I mean? And what's good, yes, cold air intake, you think, Mike, you live in Arizona, it's 1 billion degrees there. Yes, it is, but the cooler months are coming up. So colder air, better airflow for the engine. Hopefully we'll improve my miles per gallon a little bit. But hey, let's get this thing opened up. Oh yeah, and this CIVIVI knife is like phenomenal. Like, these guys make some of the best knives in my opinion. Like, for a budget knife, this knife is amazing. I mean, just listen. Feel how smooth, like, listen to the action. Look at that. Beautiful knife. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. See what we got inside. These CIVIVI knives are sharp too, let me tell you. All right, turn around this way. All right, guys, so we got it all opened up. I mean, look at this box. Look how like detailed this thing is. Sorry about the glare, but this is why I buy from like top manufacturers, because they care about like how their products are packaged, what it looks like. Like first impression when I got this was like, love it, just because of the box. All right, guys, so let's dive inside real quick. All right. So it looks like we got our hose clamps for our tubes and all that stuff. Oh, that's cool. It even came with a IAT pigtail in case it needs to be a little bit longer. Hopefully you guys can see that in the package. Got the obviously the directions. As you guys can see, that's all the models. It'll fit on a Ford. Packaging, who cares? Yeah, I know, something went flying. I'm gonna get that. Man, I mean, look how good this is packaged. It is freaking crazy. Recycle bin for sure. Oh, yep, this is gonna be important. Looks like a rubber gasket to kind of seal the box a little bit. Mandrel bent aluminum tubing. So the reason I went with the aluminum, guys, is it's going to stay a lot cooler than, you know, your plastics, your regular metal. And like the finish on this thing is absolutely beautiful. Cool ass gray, man. I'm liking that. And that right there, obviously there's an O-ring that'll go right there. As you guys can see, that's where your IAT sensor will go. Put that around the side. Looks like we got our other mandrel bent tube right here. But seriously, guys, look at the quality on that thing. That is beautiful. I'm so digging that color. It's gonna look so good on Odin. Set that over there. More trash. More trash. So that's pretty cool. This is like the sleeve that will connect your tubing to your other intake hoses coming off of your engine. It's thick, it's nice. I'd say it's a little, I mean, it's probably a 1/4 inch thick, but man, real nice stuff. Real nice. Wouldn't expect anything less from K&N, I'm telling you. Obviously there's your box. Really nice thick metal, not plastic. Just the construction is beautiful on this thing. Actual spot welds. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's 3 of them there, 3 on the other side. Not no cheap, you know, tack welds. Man, I'm so impressed so far. But you know what? That's where the CIVIVI comes in handy. Man, this is some tough ass plastic. Of course, the CIVIVI cuts through it like it's butter. But yeah, guys, look at that. Nice filter. Obviously K&N, you know, the pioneer who designed these filters, are like just killing it, and they're still around. That's what's awesome. But plan on waking up early in the morning, probably 5:30 maybe. Get this thing installed. I'm gonna record the whole thing. So yeah, stay tuned for part 2. I'll see you guys in the morning. Oh yeah, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. You know what to do. I'll catch up with you guys in the morning. Have a great night. What's up, guys? Good morning. So it's finally daylight out. Last night when I recorded that video, it was during the evening. But yeah, we're gonna get this K&N 77 series installed on Odin. I got some pictures of everything. Obviously, whoa, got Odin. Looks pretty badass. Looks like he's glowing. But yeah, so I'm not gonna do like a full install. I'm not gonna record like everything being taken apart, all that stuff, because that, I'm telling you, gets boring. So I'll do like a before and after, you know, video. I actually start the truck with the factory intake in it, and then obviously with a 77 series K&N cold air intake, I'll start it, see if we can notice just a little bit of sound difference, which I'm thinking we should from everything that I've read and all that kind of stuff. I'm excited, guys. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, this is with the factory air intake. Gonna go ahead and start it real quick. All right, so I got everything laid out on this table right here, ready to go. Loving this decal. That's gonna go on one of these tubes once I get it installed. Got directions, yes, I follow directions. Like I said, guys, this is a K&N 77 series. And I know I said it in the video earlier last night, but the lighting was crazy. But here's every F-150 that, or Ford I should say, that this particular cold air intake will fit. Here's the tools, all that good stuff. I'm gonna show you guys the factory intake. Most of you obviously have seen them, but that's kind of what it looks like right now. So yeah, I'm gonna get this one uninstalled. Let's see what this 77 series K&N air filter looks like on Odin. I think it looks super sweet. Look at that. Like I said, the install was super easy. Man, this color. So I got a really good picture of the color of the tubing in the light. It's crazy. It has like flake in it, all kinds of stuff. I'll put that on the video. All right, guys, so we just wrapped up the install. Took about 45 minutes, nothing too crazy. The IAT sensor is the most important thing you want to pay attention to. Like when you're twisting that thing out, it turns counterclockwise. There's a little tab you lift up and then you twist it counterclockwise and pull it straight out. So that was the biggest concern. But yeah, guys, install was easy, about 45 minutes, nothing too crazy. I mean, I'm pretty sure most people who watch this channel are pretty much mechanically inclined. You know what I mean? Yeah, but I'm going to turn the camera around and give you guys a little view of what it looks like. Looks badass, guys. Real quick, guys. So this is all that needed to be R&I'd, which, yes, I was a body man, so I say R&I, which is remove and installed. Obviously, we're not installing this, but yeah, that's it. And these silencers, guys, if you're just looking for a little bit of extra sound, take this off right here, pull those silencers, and you'll get a little bit better turbo whistle out of that. But yeah, that was it, guys. Like I said, super easy install, took about 45 minutes. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up for you so we can see if there's really a sound difference or not. So yeah, we can definitely hear those turbos a little bit better. All right, guys, thanks for joining me on this install. I'm gonna be doing a lot more installs on this truck. Not super expensive stuff, just your average guy, you know what I mean? Like, I can't afford, obviously, $6,000 for this, you know what I mean? It's just your daily budget stuff you can do to your vehicles, you know what I mean? So thanks for joining me on the video, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Like I said, I got a bunch of other stuff I'm going to be doing to Odin. So take it easy and enjoy your weekend. We'll catch up with you guys later.